Hello, distance formula. Yes, between 2 points on a graph, distance equals a square root of x subscript 2 minus x subscript 1 squared plus y subscript 2 minus y1 squared. This is a simple plug and chug. Let's first start by labeling our x1, y1. I know I said subscript, but yes, I'm just going to go ahead and say x2, y2. All right, and from here we are simply just going to plug into the formula. I pre-built this just to save a little bit of time. You can do the same at home. All right, it's calling for our x2, which is 0, so we're just going to plug a 0 in there. Then it's calling minus our x1, which is, okay, that's an 8. So let's plug an 8 in there. Then it's calling for y2, which is 2, minus, okay, our y1, which is negative 1. And I draw my subtraction just a little longer. That way I don't get confused in my calculator. From here, I'm just going to go all calculator. Second, x squared. Oh, beautiful. There's our square root. All right, let's open a parenthesis, and we're just going to plug it in. 0 minus 8. Close it. Then hit x squared here to square it. We will hit plus. Then we will open another parenthesis. 2 minus negative 1. Close it. Square it. What do we get? 8.54. We will not round up, as 0 through 4 is no more. And keep that at 8.5. So our distance is 8.5. That looks sloppy. I think that's because I was going for the square root instead. Oh, that's right. Let's try one in black and white, boys and gals. Shall we? I think we shall. All right, let's just go ahead and x1, y1, because coordinates always come xy, x2, y2. x2, let's plug it and chug it along. All right. Well, x2, what did we identify it as? Oh, we did 5. Remember, the formula says minus, so I'm going to put in our minus. x1 is negative 2. And I'll make that negative a little smaller so I don't get confused. Make sure to square it and hit plus. Open a new parenthesis. y2 is 8 minus our y1, which is 6. Make sure to close it and square it. And from here, again, it's simply all calculator, except this time we're going to slide our calculator over to enter it in. Second, x squared. From here, open parentheses, 5 minus negative 2. Close it. X squared plus open 8 minus 6. Close. X squared, hit enter. What do we get? 7.28. Ooh, it's greater than 5. It is an 8, so that means our 7.2 will become a 7.3, and circle your answer. All right, now I saw a couple students getting confused here, so I just wanted to go ahead and give you the example. Please use my tool. When we look at a graph here, all right, we're always going to start at 0, 0 to identify these points. On our x, if it's positive, so if we go to the right, which let's just start here. Let me kind of zoom in a little. I'm going to search for the point in green here, just so you guys know exactly where I'm going to. If I start at 0, 0, how many times do I go to the right? Great job. I go over there 1 time. So I'm just going to put in a 1 in red, and I'll use the green as my comma, I suppose. And then we have to go on our y. Well, if I take that and I go up, that's a positive number, and if I go down, it'll be into the negatives. And the dog next door is barking. From here, we will go up 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 1, 4 is our coordinate there. And our other coordinate, well, let's just go ahead and do orange to get there. And if we use our red, we'll go over 1, 2, 3, 4 into the negative 4s. And if I used orange, I'll put it there. And in blue, let's go up from here. Well, we know it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job, boys and gals. Again, if you're a little unsure, take a look at the tool. All right, that should assist you in writing your coordinates. Now from here, we will again follow the formula of d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1, close it, squared. So d equals, let's label, we have x1, y1, we have x2 and y2. From here, we will plug into the formula. And our x2, great job, -4. What am I subtracting that by? Great job, it's 1. Make sure to square it. Bring down your plus, open. Our y2 is, great job, 5. Minus our y1 of 4. Excellent work. Close it, square it, and let's go to old trusty, our calculator. Second, x squared. Let me zoom on in. Beautiful. Open parenthesis, -4 minus 1, close, x squared, plus, open parenthesis, 5 minus 4, close parenthesis, x squared. Hit enter, we get 5.09. We will round that up to d equals 5.1. And please go ahead and try the rest of these independently. Let's go!